matapang? Sinasabi ko sa'yo, Betsy, kung hindi mo titigilan si Gerald, isusumbong kita kay Sir Robert.
Lennon, wag mo munang laban yan. May naiwan ako resibo sa bulsa ko.
Ayaw tumigil ng mga hinala ko. So I don't wanna stop investigating until napatunayan ko sa sarili ko na tama ba ako or mali.
Pakinggan mo yon and let it lead you to the truth.
Gina! Ginagawa mo sa mga gamit ko?
Dad, may napansin ka ba kay Betsy kanina?
No, what do you mean?
That she's not being totally honest with us.
Tinatawag niya raw ako?
Yes, maupo ka muna, Maki. May gusto lang sana akong linawin.
May pinagtatakpan ka ba?
Tulad ng sinabi ni Betsy kanina, naawa lang siya sa nanay ko. Kaya siya napaiyak. Yun na yun.
Meron akong isang itanong sa iyo, pero huwag ka sanang magagalit. Is there something you're hiding from me?
Saan naman nagagaling yung tanong mo? Bakit mo ako pinag-iisipan ng ganyan? Kay Gina ba? Mag-uusap kayo kanina, sinisiraan ba niya ako?
Hindi ganon. Walang ganon.
So, sino yung nag-feed sa utak mo na may sinisikreto ako? Teka, sinususulan ka ba ng Vivian na yon? Kasi alam ko, una pa lang ayaw na sa akin ng ex mo.
Walang kinalaman si Vivian dito.
Anong wala? Baka mamaya binibintang mo sa akin yan dahil kayo ang may tinatago. Deny ka rin deny, pero baka mamaya may nangyayari na sa inyo.
Betsy, ilang beses ko sasabihin sa'yo. Walang namamagitan sa aming dalawa maliban sa friendship.
Kahit na wala pa rin akong tiwala sa kanya. Alam ko naman kahit i-deny mo, sinisiraan ako ng babaeng yan eh. At kakonsyaba pa niya si Gina. Pero sana naman huwag ka magpa-impluwensya. Kung ako lang masusunod, tatanggalin ko sa buhay natin lahat ng gustong mangwasak ng pagsasama natin.
Hindi kita tatantanan hanggat di mo sinasagot yung tanong ko. Anong issue sa'yo ni Robert?
Huwag na kayo mag-usisa, Nay. Basta kung ano man yun, naayos ko na yun. Sigurado ako maya-maya lang susuyuin ako ni Robert. Ito nga, oh. Ligay niya sa akin.
Di ko naman kasi maintindihan sa'yo eh. Ang ganda-ganda na ng buhay mo. Nakahiga ka na sa pera. Nakikita mo yung mga gamit na mamahalin na yan? Marami ng babaeng maiinggit sa'yo. Kung wala si Robert, hindi mo mararamdaman lahat ng karangyaan na yan. Kaya nga ko sa'yo, ingatan mo ang relasyon niyong mag-asawa.
Ano pa nga bang ginagawa ko, Nay? Kaya nga todo-todo yung pagdadrama ko kay Robert para hindi mawala lahat sa akin to. Pero dati, akala ko yaman at material na bagay yung magpapasaya sa akin. Pero ngayon na nandito na, parang hindi pa rin ako tunay na masaya. Alam mo yung parang may kulang pa rin sa buhay ko.
Di ko gusto yung tinutumbok ng usapan natin. At ano naman daw yung tunay na magpapasaya sa'yo? Aber? O sanggala? Hindi ano? Sino? Tama ba? Si Gerald? Ang tanga-tanga mo naman, Betsy. Hanggang ngayon siya pa nasa puso mo? Mahal mo pa rin ba siya?
Teka, sinususulan ka ba ng Vivian na yon? Kasi alam ko, una pa lang ayaw na sa akin ng ex mo.
Walang kinalaman si Vivian dito.
Anong wala? Baka mamaya binibintang mo sa akin yan dahil kayo ang may tinatago. Deny ka rin deny, pero baka mamaya may nangyayari na sa inyo.
Hindi kaya we were meant to be together?
Bakit mo naman nasabi?
I remember how we used to Talk about wanting to grow old together. Kaya nga noon, ang biruan namin ni Minde. Kapag daw nagkahiwalay kayo, sa akin pa rin ang bagsak mo. In a way, maybe may karapatan ding magselo si Betsy.
Hindi mo sabihin.
Robert, I still have feelings for you. Bye. Oop.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Teka, sinususulan ka ba ng Vivian na yun? Kasi alam ko, una pa lang ayaw na sa akin ng ex mo. Oh!
Oh my God!
Ano ba? Sorry! Nananadya ka ba?
Hindi, wala.
Betsy! Baka manibago ka sa resort ko, ha? Kasi dito, organic kaming lahat eh. Everything is so eco-friendly. Bawal dito ang plastic.
Alam mo, dapat itry mo rin tong Bicol Express. Mas masarap kainin kasi spicy. Mas may thrill. Kasi yung sweet sa panlasa, boring at nakakasawa.
I disagree with you, Betsy. Para sa akin, kahit na maraming pagkain na nakahain sa lamesa, yung paborito mo pa rin ang babalik-balikan mo. Nothing beats the original na nakasanayan.
Pero sana naman huwag ka magpa-impluwensya. Kung ako lang masusunod, tatanggalin ko sa buhay natin lahat ng gustong mangwasak ng pagsasama natin.
Utang na loob. Gumising ka sa katotohanan. Kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo sa kanya, ibaon mo na yan sa limot. Pareho na kayo may asawa ngayon. Pag nabuking ka, pareho rin kayo magkakaletse-letse ang buhay ninyo. Saka lang naman natin pareho. Oo, pinatulang ka. Pero ang nasa puso niya, ikaw ba? Hindi. Si Gina pa rin ang mahal niya. Kaya huwag ka magpakagaga.
The next batch of shipment is coming in from Venice next month. Inaayos ko na rin yung mga papeles.
I'm sorry, Viv. But I have to terminate our contract.
What?
I have to let go of the deal. Yeah.
But why? I mean, sa tingin ko maayos naman ang lahat. At saka hindi ba successful naman ang partnership natin?
I know. But there are things that are far more important than business. At magsasuffer din ito kung itutuloy natin ito.
Are you talking about your relationship with Betsy?
Hindi lang yun. I'm talking about tayo. Hindi lang naman marriage ko ang pinoprotektahan ko, but our friendship as well. I've realized na hanggat hindi kayo lubusang magkakasundo ni Betsy, mahiipit lang ako sa gitna. Magkaka-conflict tayo. Mag-aaway kami ni Betsy. That's it.
Hindi naman kasi kailangang umabot pa sa ganito eh. I mean, kung ako lang, kaya ko namang palagpasin ang attitude ni Betsy. The thing is, I don't think Betsy's willing to adjust for us to coexist peacefully in your life.
I'm sorry, Viv. Sensya ka na.
Gerald, mukhang nakakalata na si Gina. Kahapon, kinorner niya ako. Pilit pinapaamin sa akin lahat ng nalalaman ko. Awang-awa na ako kay Gina, pero hindi naman kita kayang ilaglag.
Bro, sorry ah. Pati ikaw tuloy nakakapagsinungaling ng dahil sa akin.
Yun na nga. Hindi ko na alam hanggang kailan ko pa kaya magpanggap na wala akong alam. Tapos si Betsy panay ng lapit sa'yo. Baka naman matukso ka ulit.
Hindi na mangyayari yun. Minsan na ako nagkamali. Ayoko na maulit yun.
Ayaw mo na ba talaga? O baka nagpapalamig lang kayo ni Betsy dahil nabisto na kayo? Tapos kung hindi na ako nakabantay, itutuloy niyo naman ang pangangaliwa niyo.
Hindi, bro. Nung nahuli mo kami, yun yung naging wake-up call ko. Noong una natakot ako na may expose na kami. Pero higit sa takot, natauhan ako. Na-realize ko na walang ibang mahalaga sa akin, kundi ang asawa ko at ang anak ko.
I'm so disappointed. But I understand and I respect your decision. Hindi mo na rin sana kinailangan sabihin pa na you're protecting our friendship. Because from where I stand, parang si Betsy lang naman ang iniisip mo eh.
No, that's not true. Kaya ko ginagawa to para protektahan kung ano meron tayo. And the truth is, habang patagal ng patagal na magkasama tayo, nahihirapan ako because a big part of me tells me that I still want you. Kahit mali yun. May asawa na ako. At kahit na dumating sa pagsubok, dapat ang asawa ko ang pinaglalaban ko.
Life is so unfair, isn't it? Bessie doesn't even deserve you. I hope hindi ka nagkamali sa desisyon mo na siya ang mahalin at pangatawanan mo.
Kaya gagawin ko ang lahat para makabawi at mag-umpisa ulit kami ng bago ni Gina.
Kung ganun, hindi lang sapat na iniwasan mo si Betsy. Dapat linawin mo sa kanya kung ano meron kayo. Ano? Hiwalay na ba kayo? Hindi, di ba? Eh di parang niloko mo pa rin si Gina. Gerald, hanggang kailan mo ba gagagawin at lolokohin si Gina?
Alam kong malaki ang kasalanan ko. Pero hindi ko sinasadya yun. Oo, nagkamali ako, pero hindi ko ginusto na saktan si Gina.
Tanong palusot.
Ang sinasabi ko lang, patunayan mo nagsisisi ka na.
Oo, talagang nagsisisi ako. Kaya tatapusin ko na yung sa amin ni Betsy. Paipaghiwalay na ako sa kanya. At aaminin ko na sa asawa ko lahat ng pagkakamali ko. Lahat ng kasalanan ko.
Ninang, I was so sad nung nalaman kong hindi matutuloy ang business partnership natin. Nung Dad told me, nalungkot ako.
Yeah.
I tried to convince him, but he seems firm in his decision.
What can we do? I just hope na maging maayos ang marriage nila ni Betsy. Para naman worth it yung pag-cancel ng deal.
I'm gonna miss you terribly. When my mom died, besides Tita Connie, ikaw tumayo na mami ko. I'm gonna miss you giving me advice and yung pag-comfort mo sa akin lagi. I'm gonna miss.
Well, you know that I'm just a message and a phone call away. Pero totoo, mamimiss din kita, Gina. Gina. Wala. Alam mo, ayoko din sanang umalis pa muna habang hindi ka pa tapos sa paghahanap ng babae ng asawa mo. Gusto kong naandun ako kapag pinanghihinaan ka na ng loob. At hindi mo na kaya, magbe-breakdown ka. I wanna be there for you.
Don't worry, Ninang. I'll be strong. Alamin ko ang totoo na I'll-update you. Kasi kasama kita sa laban na to. I hope mahuli mo na kung sino dapat mahuli. At kung sa ganon,
Mapanagot mo na sila sa lalong madaling panahon.
okay? Take care of yourself. I'll miss you.
So, hindi na kita maatid sa airport.
It's okay. Baka pag-awayin niyo na naman ni Betsy yun eh. Joke lang.
I know. Pero message mo ako, ha? Pagdating mo ng Italy.
Thank you, Robert. You know, things might not have turned out the way we wanted them to, but I'm happy. Masaya ako kasi at least nakasama kita, even for a few weeks.
No matter what happens, you will always have a special place in my heart.
No matter what happens, Robert, I hope and pray that Betsy will never break your heart. Kasi kapag nangyari yon, mawawasak din ang puso ko. So, I guess this is goodbye. Tayo yung classic example na pinagtagpo pero hindi tinadhana. Bye, Robert.
Dev. I'm gonna miss you. Okay?
Sige na. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Mahal, dalaw lang ulit ako kay nanay, ha?
Ganun? Bakit? May nangyari ba?
Wala naman. Nung huling punta ko kasi, nabanggit niya na may papacheck lang siya na networking bago siya sumali. Eh, baka may scam o mabudol eh.
Oo, mahal. Kailangan mo talaga mag-ingat ngayon kasi ang daming sinungaling at manloloko ngayon.
Sige, mahal. Alis na ako.
Ingat ka. Pakamusta na lang kay nanay.
Ever dreamed of turning your passion, whether it's cooking, gaming, or motivational speaking, into a cash-generating machine? In 2025, artificial intelligence, AI, makes that dream a reality, transforming your ideas into profitable ventures with minimal startup costs. AI tools automate content creation, streamline marketing, and optimize sales, allowing anyone to monetize their hobbies without years of expertise. From YouTube channels to e-commerce, AI empowers creators to scale their passions into full-fledged businesses. Let's check out how AI can turn your ideas into cash. Why AI is your passion to profit superpower. AI is like a trusty sidekick, handling the grunt work so you can focus on what you love. Tools like InVideo churn out videos in minutes, ChatGPT crafts compelling content, and Midjourney designs eye-popping visuals, all for free or cheap. According to industry insights, AI can boost productivity by 40%, slashing the time needed to create and sell your work. Whether you're a fitness buff, a comic book nerd, or a DIY guru, AI helps you package your passion into products like videos, digital art, or online courses, reaching global audiences via platforms like YouTube, Etsy, or Teachable. The secret sauce? Pair AI's efficiency with your unique voice to create authentic, profitable content that resonates. Let's explore 5 AI-powered paths to cash in on your passion. Create a faceless YouTube channel with InVideo. A faceless YouTube channel is a goldmine for monetizing passions like gaming walkthroughs or recipe tutorials without showing your face. InVideo's AI video generator creates professional videos from text prompts, perfect for beginners. Its free plan includes a 10M Plus royalty-free media library, making it budget-friendly. To start, visit InVideo and sign up for free. Select AI Video Generator and enter a prompt like 5 easy vegan recipes for beginners. Choose a cooking template and let InVideo generate a script, stock footage, and music in 1-2 minutes. Edit the script to add your flair, pick an AI voiceover, and export as a 16.9 MP4. Create a YouTube channel at youtube.com. Upload the video with a title like Vegan Recipes You'll Love and hashtags Vegan Cooking, Easy Recipes. Use canva.com to make a thumbnail with the AI Magic Media tool, prompting colorful vegan dish thumbnail. Post 2-3 videos weekly, earning $500 $2,000 monthly from ads and affiliate links, e.g. Amazon Kitchen Tools, once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. InVideo's automation makes video production a breeze, turning your passion into a scalable income stream. Write and sell content with ChatGPT. If writing is your passion, ChatGPT can turn your words into cash by creating blog posts, ebooks, or social media content for clients. Its free plan generates high-quality drafts in seconds, saving hours of work. Visit chatgpt.com, sign up, and input a prompt like, write a 700-word blog on mindfulness for beginners. Review the output, add your personal touch to avoid SEO penalties, and pitch it on Upwork for $50, $100 per post. For ebooks, prompt ChatGPT to create a 10,000-word guide on your passion, e.g., Guide to Retro Gaming. Edit it and sell it on Gumroad for $10, $50. Use Canva to design a cover with a prompt like Retro Gaming Book Cover. Post 5 to 10 blogs or 1 ebook monthly, earning $500 to $3,000 with consistent clients or sales. ChatGPT's speed lets you scale writing projects, monetizing your love for storytelling while keeping costs low. Sell AI-generated art with Midjourney. Love art or design? Midjourney's AI creates stunning visuals from text prompts, perfect for selling as digital downloads, prints, or merchandise. Its free trial generates high-quality images, ideal for budget-conscious creators. Go to midjourney.com, sign up, and enter a prompt like vibrant fantasy landscape for wall art. Generate images in 1 to 2 minutes. Refine based on Etsy's trending categories, e.g. abstract or anime, and upload 50-100 designs to Etsy or Redbubble. On Redbubble, sell your art on t-shirts or mugs via print on demand, requiring no upfront costs. Price digital downloads at $5, $20, and physical items at $15, $50. Automate social media management with ManyChat. If your passion lies in community building or marketing, social media management for small businesses is a lucrative hustle. ManyChat automates customer engagement and content scheduling, turning your social media savvy into cash. Its free plan supports basic chatbot features, perfect for beginners. Visit ManyChat.com, sign up, and connect a client's Instagram or Facebook account. Create a chatbot for a business, e.g. a yoga studio, using a template, customizing responses to handle bookings or FAQs. Test the bot, then offer your service on Fiverr for $100, $500 per client. Use ManyChat's AI to schedule posts with engaging captions, posting 5 to 7 times weekly. Manage 3 to 5 clients, spending 1 to 2 hours daily to earn $1,000, $5,000 monthly. Build online courses with Heights AI. Turn your passion for teaching, whether it's fitness routines or music theory, into passive income with online courses. Heights AI automates course creation, generating lessons and visuals from simple inputs. Its free trial is budget-friendly for starters. Visit heightsplatform.com, sign up. Heights AI creates a lesson plan, description, and cover image in 2 to 3 minutes. Edit to add your expertise, then upload to Teachable, teachable.com, for free hosting. Price the course at $5,200 and promote it via your YouTube channel or social media. Which approach wins? Creating a faceless YouTube channel with InVideo is the top pick for its scalability and multiple revenue streams, ads, affiliates, and sponsorships. It's ideal for passions like tutorials or storytelling. ChatGPT's writing hustle suits word lovers, offering flexibility and client-based income. Midjourney's art sales are perfect for creatives seeking passive revenue, while ManyChat's social media management leverages marketing skills for steady cash. Heights, AI's courses excel for educators wanting long-term profits. Start with InVideo for broad appeal, but combine approaches, e.g. YouTube and courses, for maximum impact. How to monetize your passion. For YouTube or courses, generate content with InVideo or Heights AI, editing to add your voice. For writing, use ChatGPT to draft and pitch on Upwork. For art, create Midjourney designs and list on Etsy. For social media, set up ManyChat bots for clients via Fiverr. Test outputs, videos, posts, or designs for quality, then market on platforms like YouTube, Gumroad, or Fiverr. Optimize with Canva thumbnails or SEO keywords and track earnings via platform analytics, e.g. YouTube Analytics, Etsy Stats. Scale by reinvesting profits into premium plans, e.g. InVideo's $15 month for enhanced features. Monetizing your passion in 2025 is a thrilling ride with AI tools like InVideo, ChatGPT, Midjourney, ManyChat, and Heights AI. InVideo's YouTube hustle leads for its earning potential, while ChatGPT, Midjourney, ManyChat, and Heights AI cater to writing, art, marketing, and teaching. Pick a path, leverage free tools, and post consistently to turn ideas into cash. Start small, scale smart, and watch your passion fuel your wallet. Visit InVideo.io or ChatGPT.com today, unleash your creativity, and transform your hobby into a profitable empire. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.